wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best water bottles. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, an ultra lightweight choice, the Platypus Soft Bottle with Closure Cap rolls up and tucks into virtually any small space, a purse, a gym bag, carry-on luggage and more. This hand-friendly model is ultra green as well, because it uses minimal materials and energy to create. It imparts no unpleasant taste and fits in most cup holders. However, the small unattached cap is easy to lose. At number 9, if you have trouble getting a grip, check out the Life Factory 22 ounce, which has a protective silicone sleeve that keeps your drink in hand and helps guard against breakage, just in case you do drop it. It's also got a flip cap for easy on-the-go sipping. It's entirely dishwasher safe and comes with a pivoting handle, but it's not leak or spill proof. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Contigo Auto Spout Addison makes sports hydration stress-free thanks to a pop-up straw spout that can be controlled with one hand. It's button-operated, so you won't have to look away from what you're doing, whether that's running, walking the dog, or driving. Its shield keeps the spout clean, and it produces no unusual or lingering flavors. However, the gasket comes off easily. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for water bottles, or click beneath this video. At number 7, the Hydro Flask Vacuum Insulated is a classic stainless steel water bottle that does the seemingly impossible. Keeps its contents cold for 24 hours without sweating. Its matte finish exterior comes in a range of bright colors, and best of all, it doesn't leak. It can also retain heat for up to 6 hours and is good for hiking and travel. Different caps are available separately. Moving up our list to number 6. You won't be able to shatter or dent the Nomad Collapsible. This 22 ounce model has a flexible thick silicone body that holds its shape during use, yet it rolls right up to a third of its original size when you're ready to hit the road. It's good for both hot and cold beverages, and there's room to attach a carabiner if needed. However, it does have a noticeable rubber or plastic odor. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Thermos Nissan Intact keeps germs and dirt at bay with a simple-to-operate hygienic push-button sipper lid. It's a strong choice for those who are monitoring their water intake, as it has a rotating hydration meter built right in. It features a comfortable ergonomic grip design and an impact-resistant construction, along with a convenient flip-up loop. At number 4, a range of features gives the simple modern Summit excellent temperature retention for cool and hot drinks, including double walls, vacuum insulation, and a copper coating. Each one is powder coated too, so it'll never rust or leave a funny aftertaste in your mouth. Many fun colors are available, and it comes with 2 lids. However, it's not dishwasher safe. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Polar Bottle Insulated has a thick double-walled construction that keeps libations either cold or warm. It works with most bike water cages, and it comes with a removable carrying strap and a replaceable urethane drinking valve. It's BPA and phthalate free and is safe to store in the freezer. Its foil layers reflect the sun's heat. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for water bottles, or click beneath this video. At number 2, the Nalgene Triton 1 Quart Narrow Mouth combines a spacious interior with a narrow loop top that helps you avoid spilling your liquids or losing your lid. It's resistant to breakage, printed with gradations for measuring, and chosen by countless satisfied users. It comes from a respected name in water bottles and is sturdy and doesn't stain. It's an affordably priced option too. And coming in at number 1 on our list, both its stainless steel construction and modern styling make the Thermotank Insulated a versatile choice for everything from daily hydration to sports use. It'll keep your cold beverages chilly for up to 36 hours, or keep your coffee hot all day long. It's resistant to condensation and has a perfectly sized opening. It produces no metallic taste. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for water bottles, or click beneath this video.